for 27 years, and it is an event that brings everybody from all across Washington State. And New Year's, for many of the Asian cultures, is a time for families and friends to gather. It's a time of reunion.
Thailand, yes.
Ethnicities and cultures and races across this beautiful state of Washington, for all of us to come together and celebrate. How lucky are we?
Are you from Thailand? No.
27 years.
Yeah. All right. Yes, yeah, all right. That's right, yeah.
Under its leadership of the founder and president, Patsy Sir O'Connell, and of course, the amazing Lloyd Richard, and the board and the advisory board. How about a round of applause for APCC? Something like this, because this gets better every year, and I hope to continue to see this for another 50 more plus 100 more years. And with that, we're going to get our program started and kicked off with the presentation of the Asia Pacific Parade of Nations. Are we ready? There are over 20 nations that are going to be represented, that are going to be performing. And so as they come and present, sound of all nations!
Let's go, Thailand!